Hey, what's going on, my friends? James Bill here. I've been hearing a lot of stuff on here, about the BitConnect crashing, people being scammed, rip off, or whatever. And I hate hearing this kind of stuff, in our business here on this platform of the online world. It's just not right, and people should not do this. And I mean, I'm not involved in it in any kind of way at all, but still, I hate to see this happen to anyone. I got into the online marketing because of my mentor and the program that I'm with. And the number, I thought it was all about making money online, guys. And they taught me it's about having integrity and sharing what you learn and helping people. That's the bottom line. And in return, you're gonna receive from that. But I mean, this is just not right. I don't like to see that kind of stuff. That's why I stick to affiliate marketing. That's what I love doing, guys. And it's proven, especially when you get with a good team that has a good system, where you can make money while you're sleeping, literally. we have new, excuse me, we have newbies in our company that's earning $1,000 days, and they've never made a dime or one red cent, guys, in their life online. So anyway, I just want to put my little input in there, and just remember, if you're gonna engage with people, if you're gonna send them an offer, make sure that the product, first of all, that you're dealing with is a great product, and number two, just be real with people, guys, and let's all help each other out. And if you like, again, if you're interested in some of the training we have, go ahead and click on the link below, and I can get you that information. Thank you. God bless.